If you want to learn how to evaluate algebraic expression, then I want you to stick to the end of this video, because in this video I'll be treating that in detail. AC Okocha is my name, and this is just academic mathematics, where we make you a mathematics genius. Still on our journey in quadratic equation and algebra, quadratic series and algebraic equations and expressions. We are now coming into what I call evaluation of algebraic expressions. Now, what does it mean to evaluate? To evaluate is to express the value of a quantity or expression numerically. To evaluation has to do with the process of substituting variables with what? Numbers. So there are three major terms in algebra. They can either tell you to solve, to simplify, or factorize, or to evaluate. Now, they only use the word solve when it's an equation. When it's an expression, they can tell you to factorize or simplify, but specifically simplify. You get what I'm saying? But when it is an expression and they want you to assign value to the variables, they will tell you to evaluate. So this is a good example of evaluation of quadratic expression. So it's very simple. This one is very simple. So it's not, I believe it's something you can handle. So they say evaluate this when s is -2 and y is 3. So what they are saying is that anywhere we see s here, we replace it with -2. -2. And anywhere we see y, we are going to replace it with 3. And not just 3. For this one, we put square there. Minus x is what? -2 square times y is what? 3. Then over, what is x again? -2 square, then minus bracket x is what? -2, y is what? 3. Always put them in brackets to avoid confusion. So let's take it further. So this is -2 with times what? We'll be times 9. Then we'll have minus. This will give us -2 times -2 is +4. Will be times 3 over. This will give us 4. Will be times what? -2 times 3 will give us -6. Can you see that now? So -2 times 9 is what? -18. -4 times 3, 12 times this minus, that is -12 over what? 4 minus times minus is what? +6. So in other words, we have that the answer will be what? -8 minus 12 is what? -20 over what? -20 over what? Over 10. So the answer to this question is actually -2. Unfortunately, the options are wrong. Probably I didn't copy the correct option. There is no -2 here. So that should be a mistake. The correct option is -2. Let's check again before we conclude. You can't tell. So anywhere we see s, we put -2 here, y is 3 square, minus s is -2 square, y is 3, s is -2 square, minus s is -2 times 3. Okay, this is -2, this is 9, correct. This is 4 times 3, correct. And this is +4 here. -2 square is +4, good. This is 6. This times this is plus, which, yes, plus, which is 10. This time this, I see now. 2 times 9 is not 8, it's 18. You see why it's good to always check your work well. Don't always be in haste. So -18 minus 12 will give us -30. -30. And -30 divided by 10 will give us -3. And -3 is in the option, and that is option what? Option A. Okay, sorry for that. That is for example 1. Now that brings us to example 2. Mhm. Look at example 2. Example 2 say given that P is equals to that, express in terms in its simplest form, express P in its simplest form. What are they saying? I say we should just solve P in its simplest form. That is, in other words, P is equals to s square minus y square over s square plus xy. So P in its simplest form. This is difference of two squares. So this is s minus y times s plus y over x is outside, remaining s plus y. Of course, this can cancel this. So P in its simplest form is s minus y over x. That is P in its simplest form. Now, the next question, which is 2, says find P when x is minus 4 and y is minus 6. So we already know that P in its simplest form is s minus y over x. So when x is minus 4 minus y, what is y? Minus 6 over what? Over x, what is s? Minus 4. So this is P is equals to minus 4 plus 6 over minus 4. So P is equals to 2 over minus 4. And 2 over minus 4 is what? Minus 1 over 2. That is the value of P. When x is what? Is minus 4 and y is minus 6. Are you following? So that is it. Now, that brings us to example 3. That brings us to example 3. Another interesting one here. They want us, they say that if A is 1, if A is 2, and B is minus 2, and C is minus 1 over 2, evaluate. So we just substitute yet again. Now, here, anywhere you see, okay, let me state it first. AB square minus BC square times in A square C minus ABC. Of course, we know what to put. When we see A, we have to replace A with 2. We replace B with what? Minus 2. Then here there is square. Minus. We replace B with what? Minus 2. And C with what? Minus 1 over 2 square. This is for the first bracket. Then for the second bracket, A is what? A is 2. Then square. C is what? Minus 1 over 2. Minus A is what? 2. B is what? Minus 2. And C is what? C is minus 1 over 2. We close the B bracket. Are you following? So we begin to solve. This is 2 times 4. Minus 2 squared is 4. Then this is minus 2. This one will give me 1 over 4. Let's take it bit by bit. So this is 4 times minus 1 over 2. Minus. Okay, where do we go from here now? This time this is minus 4. Or we can times these two first. We can just go ahead. This time this is minus 4 times minus 1 over 2. We can as well take them together at once. So here we have 8 minus. Now, this minus times this minus is plus. Because here will come out as, let me show it. I will have written it as 1 over 2, but let me show this like this. Times the same thing here. Let me show it as minus 4 over 2. Then this one, minus times minus times minus is minus. Minus times minus, plus times minus, minus. So I will show you as 4 over 2 also. So here means 8 minus half times minus 2 minus 2. That is minus 4. So what do we have? We have 7.5. This is 7.5. And of course, 7.5 means what? 7.5 means 15 over 2. times what? Minus 4. So these 2 will cancel these 2. 4. You have minus 2. So at the end of the day, you have 15 times minus 2, which is minus 30. And that is option what? C. That is option C. So it's just about playing about, yeah. You simplify, you evaluate, you will get the answer. You don't necessarily need to show everything. Someone can even jump from here to somewhere here, and from here to here. So, but because we are learning, I just have to show. Okay, look at this now. They want us to evaluate this. Look at number 4. Look at number 4. Now, you already know what the ratio means. X ratio, if X ratio Y is equals to 9:4, it means that X over Y is equals to 9/4, because ratio means division. You can make S the subject. If you cross multiply, you have that 4S is equals to what? 9Y. So S is equals to what? 9Y/4. Take note, this is the value of X. So since we know that this is S, we can put it here. Remember that in this place where we have, maybe I split it out now. This place where we have 8 times X. What is S? 9Y/4 minus 3Y. This divide, please follow me, don't get confused. This divide are all over. I want to present it like this. This all over now, look at it here. Divide by, to avoid it being so long. Then what is S again? 9Y/4 minus 3/4Y. So that what we are solving is now more clearer. 4 cancel 8, 2. 2 times 9, 18Y minus 3Y. Divide by, here, LCM here will be, of course, will be 4. So you have 9Y minus 3Y. So 18Y minus 3Y is what? 15Y. Divide by what? Divide by 6Y/4. So we just change to multiplication. We have 15Y/1 times 4/6Y. Y will cancel Y. 3 go here, 2. 3 go here, 5. 2 go here, 1. 2 go here, 2. So we are left with what? 10. Can you see that? Okay, that is how to handle such. Okay, interesting, is it not? So you can watch it over and over again in order to internalize it. I show you example 5. I will show you just this and another one. Now look at example 5. All we need to do is to bring this X and put inside here. But first, let's make S to look a bit simpler. This is what I mean. We know that S is equals to A plus 3/2A minus 1/1. Let's break S down. So S is still what? LCM here is what? 2A. This is 1. 1 times A plus 3 will give us A plus 3. Minus this go here, 2A times 1, 2A. So we have that S is now what? A minus 2A. Let's start with 3 then. 3. A minus 2A is minus A over what? 2A. So this is X now. So now that we know that this is X, we can come and substitute here. We now know that anywhere we see S, we put the whole of this. So coming to this place, 2X. What is S? 3 minus A over 2A plus 1. That is the numerator. I'm putting it like this. Divide by the denominator is what? 3 times S what? 3 minus A over what? 2A plus 1. So that is what we are solving for now. So for this one, 2 we cancel this 2. So we are left with 3 minus A over A plus 1 over 1. Then this one, we are left with, it can't cancel, so this one will come up here. as 3 times 3, 9, minus 3a over 2a plus 1 over 1. Are you following now? So here we have a, 1 times this 3 minus a plus a times 1, a, divided by LCM here is what? 2a, 1, 9 minus 3a plus 2a. We reverse, but before we reverse, notice that first, let's put it like this first. Let's conclude that minus a plus a is 0, so we have 3 over a left, divided by here, minus 3 plus 2 will give us minus 1. So here is 9 minus a over 2a. So we can now change this to 3 over a times 2a over 9 minus a. So a will cancel a. So we are left with what? We are left with 6 over 9 minus a. This is what we have to get. If we evaluate that in terms of a, if you hear in terms of a, that means at the end of the day, part of the answer, a will still be part of the answer. That is, you are making S the subject of the formula here. You substitute in terms of a, definitely it's going to be like this. So this is the answer. So let's solve one more to close for this. Let's close with this. One more. Okay, still on evaluation. Make sure you don't miss the next class. The next class, I'm going to continue with methods of solving quadratic equation. I'm going to be treating completing the square method. Very, very important method. Please don't miss that next class. Okay, the same thing is applicable here. We'll just substitute direct. We know the value of x, so we want to express in terms of a. So here, anywhere we see x, we replace s with what? With 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2. That is x minus 1. That is this up one. Then divide by the down one is 2 times x, 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2. Are you with me? Plus 1. So this is the numerator, this is the denominator, and that is what we are solving for. So you can see in terms of a, we have to solve it now in terms of a. So this is 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2 minus 1 over 1. I will just find the LCM straight there. So divide by this will give us 2 times 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2 plus 1 over 1. All these steps are not even necessary. Here, LCM here is what? Is 3a minus 2. Go here, 1 times that, you have 2a plus 3 minus this, go here, 1. 1 with times, put it in bracket or else you will fail it. If you don't put this place in bracket, you will make mistake. Then here, LCM is 3a minus 2, 1 times this, you have, in fact, let's just open that bracket now. This go here, 1 times this, the same thing, that is 4a plus 6 plus this go here, 3a times this will give us the same thing, that is 3a minus 2. When it is minus, make sure it's in bracket. So this is 2a plus 3 minus 3a plus 2 over 3a minus 2. We can as well put times here first and put 3a minus 2 here over, of course, this will give us, maybe we'll just repeat that again. Let's repeat. 4a plus 6 plus 3a minus 2. So this will go with this out. So this and this, okay, 5, starting with letters, 2a minus 3a is minus a. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. That is it. Times. Of course, times. Bracket to serve as a times. It's the same thing. No, here is 1. We'll swap now. No, leave it. This is over 1. Let's not mix it up. This is 1 over. This plus this is what? 7a plus 4. So this time we are going to end up with minus a plus 5 over 7a plus 4. This is the answer. There is nothing we can do again, so we'll leave it like this. This is the answer in terms of a. In terms of a. That is the answer. And that brings us to the end of this class. Make sure you share this video. Share it. Share. And follow us on our social media platform, YouTube, Facebook, Just Academic Mathematics. If you want one-on-one tutorial, send me a message via the WhatsApp contact that is showing, and I will teach you what you need to know in any topic at all in mathematics. Thank you. See you in our next class as we continue with completing the square method of solving quadratic equations.